You are surrounded by everything culinary once you come onto the property. We do anything from Vermont-based foods, cooking classes, all the way through Italian, French, Spanish. So we really do the whole genre.
So first things first, we're gonna go over some safety stuff.
A lot of the classes will start from just basic techniques.
This is the cutting motion that we're gonna do.
Such as knives, and then work our way into the different dishes.
And Brussels sprouts.
We use a lot of ingredients right from our own gardens.
These are mushrooms, all right? Mushrooms are like sponges.
We have a lot of local farms that come in. We use their produce, their eggs, their meats. Once you come into the class, you'll have a wonderful experience. The smells and the tastes of everything you try. We want them to feel confident when they leave.
Let's go ahead with our Brussels sprouts.
So that they can walk out of here and produce a recipe. And hopefully they can impress their friends with what they have done in this class.